when you discuss or you have an opportunity to explain the water policy and the strategy that you have applied.
So gives us signals and we will need to possibly work in tandem so that maybe almost 50% of
the furthest point that it would address.
In extreme cases, even skeletal.
I think by the Secretariat. So why I was asking also about this project.
Nairobi will be paying for water. Nairobi County government will be paying for water that is coming from all these sources. And that is the money we need to now then apply back in terms of service delivery in the counties that provide water to Nairobi. And these are the counties of Kiambu, counties of Murang'a, counties of Nyandarua. We are going to give these three counties a very specific focus, just like we will do with the county of Kware because of Mwache Dam. The same thing we'll do with the counties of Taveta and other basin areas where the source is not the beneficiary of that particular water. Of course, by reason that water goes down from the source to the next county. But we are going to create specific projects for those areas.
I feel that there is hope for our people because of the dams that were called for expression of interest. One of them, and number one of those dams, was one of our own. That is Pesi Dam, that is supposed to address the dry areas of Nyandarua. That is Ndaragwa, and substantively addressed the Ojorok and some part of Orkalau.